How to allow or block app permissions to access microphone on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, in here, we scroll down. Then tap on Microphone. From here, tap on the app that you want to allow or block access to microphone. So for example, if I want to block WhatsApp from using microphone, I can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And if you want to allow the app to use the microphone, you can tap on the toggle button and make sure it is turned on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.